Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the smoked Jeep JL taillights from RaceSport, which add style, function, and flair to your Jeep. These are a great way for any JL owner looking to create a more monotone or blacked out look, but still keeping good light output. Compared to OE taillights, these from RaceSport add a better light output and clarity because they're LEDs. Don't waste time and money trying to figure out how to smoke out your own taillights. Just get these from RaceSport. They're easy to install and provide a great fit that mimics the shape of the factory JL taillights. As far as the installation goes, we rate this a 3 out of 10 and it'll take you about 30 to 45 minutes. The biggest thing to keep in mind here is while it is a pretty straightforward plug-and-play installation, there is a little bit of wiring, so you do have to use resistors to disable the hyper flash. The smoked Jeep JL taillights from RaceSport have a 1-year warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the smoked Jeep JL taillights from RaceSport. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.